Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I just got a Sealproof extra deep cover, qualified for UL extra duty it's called. That's what it says. I got this off Amazon, it wasn't too bad. I got the extra deep one because I'm going to probably stick a pretty big cord in there, probably a number 10 cord. And I want to be able to have the room for it to bend and all the rest of it. And plus, my outlet goes this way, so it's a little bit more of a pain in the butt to, mount stuff. If it was this way, it'd probably be a little bit easier, but it's this way. So we're going to open this up, do a little unboxing right now. I'm going to paint this, though. I plan to paint this blue and not keep it clear, just to go with the core outside. So I am going to paint this blue after I open it, and I'm not going to do a review of that because there's no point in doing a review on me painting it blue. I don't know how much it's going to stick to it because it is smooth. You are supposed to rough up the surface if it's smooth. Hopefully that's not, really that smooth, but it is plastic. So you're supposed to rough it up a little bit. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to spray it blue and wing it and see what happens because I bought the really good spray paint that's like $2 more than the other stuff. It's supposed to be a lot better at sticking and holding and not rusting and all that other crap. Man, I left the garage door open and like 2 flies got in. Now they're flying around annoying me. So it's called Superflex LTD. That's the name of it. Patent pending. Elizabeth, New Jersey. Look at that. Wow. I ordered this off Amazon. That's cool. Elizabeth. All right. So, let's open it up, see what we got. This is kind of, it says it's an 18-in-1 configuration, weatherproof cover. So, yep. So this is kind of how it goes, like this. Everything comes out. So they have it going this way. You can put it either way that you want. You're supposed to be able to put it this way, which is the way I'm going to be using it. Is this way. So mine's going to lift. I'm not going to mount it on right now because I'm going to paint mine. I'm going to paint the whole thing blue. Screw it. I'm painting everything. Except the rubber gasket in the back. I'm going to put blue tape on that because I don't want it cracking. Installation, turn off power, before, blah, blah, blah. You're going to see me do the installation after. I don't even see the correct. It says 18 configurations, huh? Where's the? Oh, there it is. Haha, I didn't say it. Yeah, I need the GFCI one. So this is the one that I need. So I'm going to be using that one with that. And that's it for the unboxing. That was pretty quick. We're going to do an installation next. I'll be right back. Not right back. You're going to see the installation tomorrow because I'm going to spray paint this and it's got to dry till tomorrow in order for me to handle it and install it. So yeah. That's what I plan to do. Hello everyone, we're back with Glen Velvet Reviews. And now we're going to do the installation on that outdoor box over here. I painted everything blue, as you could see, because I have a blue little setup. So everything's painted blue. It came out really nice. Look at it, right? It came out nice, matches that, matches my stairs. Matches my other plumbing setup over there that I'm going to have that's going to be blue. Not everything, because I have stainless steel, I can't paint blue, but this is going to be a review of me installing it, seeing what it looks like, seeing how big it is, because I did get the big one, obviously, to fit a lot of wire in it. So we're going to test out putting this cord in, this power cord right here. I think it's 10 gauge. I wish they wrote, oh, it's 12.3. Oh, so it's not even that big, but it looks like the size of a 10 now. It's pretty big. So we're going to plug that in and we're going to try that out for you guys and see what's up. Have it out for too long. So we tested it. See, we got 0. We got, what the hell is that? Oh, we got 0. Sorry, there's a big bug flying around. We got 0, so we're good. So let's take this thing apart. I'm going to install a GFI over here, as you're going to see, because that's not GFI. This was made in 1975, so they didn't have to put that on. So we're going to put that on because the covers, the weather-resistant covers broke, and we don't want anyone getting, shocked with wet hands or anything like that. So let's start this up. Let's take it out. Let's see if this fits in here. Right? So I'm gonna mount it pretty much just like this. That's it. Bam, mount it. So it looks like it's just gonna mount just like this. See it? This is obviously gonna snap in more than what that is. I'm gonna snap that in, but that just goes like that, and then you just screw it on. So I guess I should just put the wires on, and then it's just gonna go like that. So I can put so let me put the wires on first. So those will be dangling, whatever, who cares? Let's just put these wires on first to get them out of the way. Remember, I'm gonna put mine with the ground facing that way as I wanted. So let's put this in here. I had red tape, I don't know where it went. I mean, it doesn't really matter, I don't care the color, but I'm just saying, I hate when I lose stuff. I have like 6 rolls of electrical tape laying around, which is annoying. Alright, so I'm going to tape this up just to help it not get grounded or anything. It's a good thing to do, especially in the field, because you know, when you're trying to get an outlet or people are trying, sometimes it can spark on the side. It takes 2 seconds to put this in and help someone out, you know. So, especially if the outlet's being used a lot. Alright, so we're going to pop this in here like this. Remember, always follow your local electrical codes. Not a flathead, because I'm not a flathead fan, you know. Everyone knows that. Not enough torque. They never stick to the drill. Pain in the butt to put in. So I'm just going to stick these in here for now. Oh, goes this way. Ha-ha, I caught that. Good thing I caught that. Oh, so I put this in the wrong way? I guess it doesn't matter. No, it doesn't matter, idiot. Okay, doesn't matter. Sorry about that. Does not matter where this thing goes. So let's start screwing this thing in. So I think this is the pop out, and this is the pop out. So oh, I think that's my back neighbors, not my side neighbors. So it has a port that you could break out here, or a port that you could break out here to run the wires through. This way you can keep it closed and have it wires running out. Otherwise, it's going to be left open with the wires sticking out. So I'm not in a rush right now to have it that way, I guess you could say, with the hole broken out. So I'm going to break that out at a later time, because most likely we're going to be out here when it's sunny out, or just when it's not raining, and then having stuff in here. If I notice that we're going to start using it when it's raining, or tools or whatever, then I'm going to make the cutout, and it'll take me 1 second to... All I got to do is grab pliers that I have right there, wiggle this back and forth, and it'll snap in a second. So honestly, yeah, I don't feel like doing that right now. But anyway, let me go get the pin. I'm missing the pin because the pin's supposed to go in there. Alright, let's get this pin in here. So this is what the pin looks like. It's flared out at the end, so it kind of snaps into place. So if you need to take it out, you just squeeze it with a pair of needle nose. Pretty simple. I don't know which way it goes in. I don't really care. I guess if it goes in this way, it should go in this way. Oh, the arrows. Look at this. Ha-ha! See? It says which way to do it. So let's push this baby in. Be a little gentle with it. Okay, a little weird. I thought it would go all the way through. It only goes through up to here. So whatever. Okay, so that's kind of what it looks like. Look, see it? And it snaps. So now it's locked. Wow, this... I should have checked in here when I had the outlet out to see why it's so loose. Alright, whatever. It is what it is. Good enough. Like I said, I'm going to paint that blue anyway. So that's what it looks like. There's a little tab right here you pull out to open it. Let's see how big, like I said, we're going to try this big wire in here. Ooh, it's nice and floppity because it's been sitting in the, flexible, I mean, because it's been sitting in the thing. So this is what it looks like in here. So you're going to have it run over here and then come out. Fine, I'll break it off. I got to show you the review. Damn it, I didn't want to break it off right now because I wasn't in a rush. But I will. Bam. Look at the size of that wire. That's like a, it says 12.3, but I'm telling you, there's a big coating on that. That's like the size of a 10 gauge wire. So look how big that 10 gauge wire is. I have it sealed, folded in there and ready to go. And now I have all this to use. That's into a GFI outlet now. And now I have 3 outlets right here to use that are going to be, you know, water resistant. If you want it to be really water resistant, I would not use this, or I would get a water resistant box that fits this. I've seen them online for like 30, 40 bucks, some are 50. If you get the single, what's it called? If you have a single extension cord, you can get the, they have the sleeve that it connects to make it waterproof, and then you'll be good to go. And I think they're like $9.99 or something. They're pretty cheap. So if you guys want to get that. So, yeah, that's it. So, yeah, that's it for the review. Pretty much done. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review. Join me on my adventure as I try to put up reviews to help everybody out in the community on their decision making on buying stuff and also actually using it, you know, out in the field and seeing how it works and all this other stuff. So you guys have an idea if it's worth your money to spend on it, because everyone works very hard for theirs. Well, I don't work that hard for it, but I did work hard for it and I invested it. So it's the same thing. I put in a lot of time to make the money I did in order to invest it properly. So I did work very hard for what I had, what I have now, whatever. So, okay.